Welcome to Bow Auto Parts in Bow, New Hampshire, your trusted destination for exceptional used transmissions. Facing transmission troubles and overwhelmed by the expense of brand new replacements? Your search ends with us. At Bow Auto Parts, we understand the vital role of a functioning transmission in your vehicle's performance and offer a more budget-friendly yet high-quality alternative. Our array of superior used transmissions is unmatched. Stored in our cutting-edge, climate-controlled warehouse, each transmission is rigorously tested and inspected. This meticulous process ensures that the transmission you receive is not only in prime condition, but also ready to enhance your vehicle's drive. Hear from our satisfied customers by checking out our online reviews, which show our dedication to honesty, professionalism, and quality. At Bow Auto Parts, our quality is our difference. So why choose our used car and truck transmissions? The reasons are clear: affordability, exceptional quality, and a commitment to sustainability. Our advanced inventory system enables you to efficiently locate the ideal transmission for your specific vehicle model. Every transmission we offer comes with a standard warranty, providing you with peace of mind. For those seeking extra assurance, we also provide extended warranty options that even include labor. Our knowledgeable team is ready to guide you in finding the perfect transmission that fits both your needs and budget. We offer a spectrum of options, from the most cost-effective to those with the least wear. Visit bowautoparts.com for a virtual tour of our facility and discover why thousands of customers have turned their vehicle troubles into triumphs with our assistance. Bow Auto Parts stands out in the used transmission market. We are a proud member of Team PRP, the premium auto parts recycling network with access to a vast inventory, so we can find the exact transmission you need. Additionally, we understand the importance of environmental responsibility. Our commitment to recycling and repurposing auto parts not only helps the planet, but also offers you parts that are rigorously tested and have like-new reliability, while saving you money. Got questions about transmissions? Our sales team is eager to help you, offering insights and assistance in finding the ideal used transmission or any other part for your vehicle. Then we can deliver your transmission to New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Maine, and Vermont to get your vehicle back on the road fast. Give us a call today to let our team of auto experts help you find the right transmission for your vehicle. We look forward to talking with you.